Hello, expert. So this is for expert number one. I want to demonstrate, no, para makita ninyo kung paano siya gagawin for the upcoming jigsaw puzzle activity. Okay, for the expert number one, so this is your problem, or this is the equation that you want to demonstrate. So 3x squared minus 7x plus 2 equals 0. Okay, the first thing is to basically identify if that is in standard form. Okay, so if that is in standard form, then you have to identify na yung A, B, and C. Okay, so in that case, the A would be 3, the B would be -7, and the C would be 2. A, B, and C. Okay, the next thing that are going to do is to basically plug in or input those things in our quadratic formula. We all know the quadratic formula already. So that is negative b. Sige, I don't want to write it anymore. Plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c. Okay, so there you go. And all over 2 times a. So you notice that there is a blank here, or the things that we want to input here in the parentheses. Okay, so in this part, nalagay natin is -7 because that is b. Also, -7 din dito. And then 4 times a, which is 3, times c, that is 2, all over 2a, which is 3. Okay, after that, no? We want to simplify first the things here. Negative times -7, that would become +7 because negative times negative is positive. Plus or minus square root of, we will just copy the squared sign as well as this one. -7 squared means -7 times -7. That is going to be 49. Okay? Minus 4 times 3, that is 12. Times 2, we have 24. Okay. All over 2 times 3 in the denominator, that is going to be 6. Finally, we have this one. We will just be copying this 7 plus or minus square root of 49 minus 24, and that is, okay, 9 minus 4, that is 5. And 4 minus 2, that is 2. Okay, so that is 25. All over 6. And for the final step, we have the two roots or two possible answers. By the way, before we do that, let, let us take a look for this one. We can simplify this one. 7 plus or minus square root of 25, that is 5. Okay, so also we have 6 in the denominator. Okay, so we have two possible answers. The first possible answer would be 7 plus 5 all over 6. Okay, so we just use the positive side. And we simplify that one. 7 plus 5, that is 12 all over 6. And 12 divided by 6, that is going to be 2. The first root that we have is 2. Okay? Now, we will be using the next root. Okay? The second possible answer would be negative. So we have 7 minus 5 all over 6. And we get to simplify 7 minus 5, that is 2 all over 6. And we get the lowest term of 2 over 6. So that is divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. And 6 divided by 2, that is 3. And this is going to be the lowest term. And the x, or the second root, would be 1 over 3, or 1/3. So the two roots are 2 and 1/3. So this is for the expert number 1.